In this video, we are gonna solve an integral problems using u-substitution. But this time, we cannot use directly the values we get in u-substitution method in this integral. So, to demonstrate what I mean, let us say this is dx over ex minus 1 and it is equal to 1 over ex minus 1, right? Dx. Now, if we use the u substitution here, let's just say we have u is equal to ex minus 1, x minus 1. And our du is simply ex, right? Ex dx. Now, if we isolate dx, we will have du over ex. This term will cancel. So we have dx is equal to du over ex. So as you can see, if you plug in the values that we get from the u substitution, we will have 1 over u, and then dx is equal to du over ex, right? So du over ex. This is times. Now, we can directly use our standard formulas here because we still have this ex, and um we can take it out from the integral because it is not a constant. So what we will gonna do here is, if we cannot simplify the integrand with our standard u substitution, we will gonna manipulate the values we get in u substitution. So if you have u is equal to ex minus 1, you can manipulate it as ex is equal to u plus 1. U plus 1. Just add plus 1 both sides, so you can isolate ex. So this is ex is equal to u plus 1. Now, let us substitute it here, no? So it will become 1 over u times du over u plus 1, right? U plus 1. And it is equal to 1 over u 1 over u plus 1 du. So if we have this kind of formula, no, we can use a partial fraction decomposition. We can say that it is equal to this integrand is equal to 1 over u. No, sorry for that. So this is equal to constant a over u plus constant b over this one, which is u plus 1. Now, in partial fraction decomposition, the goal is to get the value of a and b, because we don't know the value of a and b here, right? So what we will gonna do here is to get this one, and this one. So let us say 1 over u times u plus 1 is equal to a over u plus b over u plus 1. So let us write it here now to make it clear. 1 over u plus 1 u plus 1 is equal to a over u plus b over u plus 1, right? So this is, they are equal. Now, the next thing we will gonna do is to multiply both sides by its least common denominator. So u, its least common denominator is u times u plus 1. U plus 1. So this will gonna be equal to 1, no? Just cancel this. So u times u plus 1 times u, I know, divide u. No, this will cancel, cancel. Times u. This is multiplied by u. So canceling u, then we'll have u plus 1. Then here we will have plus b u. This will gonna be a okay. So now we have this form na. The next thing we're gonna do is to substitute, no? Let us find the value of a and b. So yung gagawin natin is first hanapin yung b, right? So let us equate this as u is equal to negative 1, because if we let u is equal to negative 1, then this will become 0, because negative 1 plus 1 is 0, and then a times 0 is simply 0, right? So we can cancel this one, and this one, if u is equal to negative 1, then we can say that b is equal to negative 1, because it will become negative 1 b 1, and then if we divide both sides by negative 1, simply we have negative 1 is equal to b, right? We have this one. Now let us find the value of a na naman, no? So previously we use negative 1 as a value of u, so that we can cancel this. Now here, let us equate u as 0. So if we let u is equal to 0, then this will cancel, right? This will cancel, and this will cancel. So we only have a times 0. This is 0 plus 1, so a 1, right? So we have 1 is equal to a 1, and if we divide both sides by 1, we simply have a is equal to 1. Now we have the values of b and a. So let us plug in these values here. So we have 1 over u, we have 1 over u times u plus 1 times u plus 1 is equal to, na yung a natin is equal to 1, so a is equal to 1 over u. So 1 over u, and then yung b is equal to negative 1, so minus 1 over u plus 1. u plus 1. Now, this is equal this one right here is equal to this one, this one. So we can say that we can write it as integral of 1 over u du and minus 1 over u plus 1, right? U plus 1 du. Now, if we separate this, you can write it as this, 1 over u du minus 1 over u plus 1, 1 over u plus 1 du. Now, we have this simplified form of this one, right? This one, this one. And it is much simpler than this. And as you can see, we can now apply our standard formulas here. We know that the integral of 1 over u is ln u. Is simply ln u. ln u. And the integral of 1 over u plus 1 is simply ln u plus 1. U plus 1 plus c. Now, let us substitute back the value of u. Our u here is ex minus 1. So now we can write it as ln ex minus 1 minus ln ex minus 1 and then plus 1. So this will cancel, plus c, plus c. Now we have ln ex minus 1 minus ln ex plus c. Now, this is the answer, but we can simplify this answer. No, we can write it as this is logarithmic, right? So in logarithm, we can write this as ln over ln over ex minus 1. In logarithm, if it is if the sign is minus or the operation is minus here, then it will divide, no? So it will become ex minus 1 over ex. And if you separate this one, it will become like this, ex over ex minus 1 over ex, right? 1 over ex. Now, this will cancel and equal to 1, and then minus 1 over e to the x. But we can write this as e negative x. So this one is equal to ln 1 minus ex, e negative x plus c. Let's not forget the c. So this is the answer. This is the answer for this problem.